Hello friends, I hope you're well. In this video, we're going to show you how to actually make money selling courses on Academic Labs. So this is a Solana utility play, currently priced at 3 cents, and we're going to go through it as a project, and then we're going to show you how to actually launch your own course. You can give out courses for free, and you can give out paid courses. I, for one, am going to be uploading courses. I've got two in mind. One is going to be free and one is going to be paid, but it's going to be like $1 or $2 if that. But just so it's behind a paywall. So it's currently 26 million market cap, and we've got all the supply pretty much out as well. So total supply, max supply, etc. It's listed on Gate.io. So if you do want to buy, it's on Gate.io. They've also had another listing today on Bitpanda, which is really good. It's this, you're starting to see listings happening on a project that's quite early. So typically I catch projects that are on 7 central exchanges. So this one's on 2. So there's scope to grow. Fingers crossed. Gate.io is a very good exchange, consistent volume. So you should be able to trade this. And as a project itself, it's 2 months old. And we started to see the sell off, and then we've had the pump back. And now we're having the launch up. If you want to actually buy in, you're going to have to use the central exchanges because there's no decentralized liquidity at the moment. I don't know if someone's going to make one, but that's something to look at as well. So platform wise, we can show you it. So categories, you can see crypto trading, digital marketing. So it's not just crypto itself. And if you agree with me, education will never die. Like this is a utility that will never die. Education, people are always wanting to learn. I try to do a good job on my YouTube channel to try to teach people to make money like I have. But for yourself, you can do the same. And like I said, it is on Solana as well. So you can connect your wallet, you can load up. Now, when you sign in, you've got two options. You can go in as a learner. So as a learner, you can go onto crypto courses, and here's some of them that are listed. This is free. I think I watched that one, and we've got a bunch of courses on here. So it is kind of MVP at the moment, beta, and they're going to be pushing it out. More people, influencers are going to be launching on there, having their courses, and that's what's going to drive the traffic and the audience. And then you can obviously sell your course. So you once you subscribe or you pay for a course, it's all DeFi, so you don't have to pay in fiat. You can sign up and then you can just purchase a course. So let's try and find one that is actually paid. So this one is coming in at 5 Tether, $5 USDT, and you can purchase it like that. Just connect your wallet, pay, and then it will be in your learning page, which will be here, so you can access it. Now, as a creator, you have a different page. So this is what we're here for essentially. So you've got your courses, and then you can actually make your courses, fill out the information, upload your course. You can put a free registration, etc. But you can charge for it as well. And then you can have your earnings, fill in your information, etc., biography, whatever. But your earnings is withdrawable, so it goes directly to your wallet, which is good. So fingers crossed this is going to be one to grow. I'm really, really excited for it. And you've got your education center, etc. You just click, come, get started, upload your course. So if you're camera shy or you're thinking how to actually make a video, I record all my videos on OBS, which is a free tool. Share your screen, give your knowledge out to people, do a few free courses, and then obviously you can upload your courses on there. Ideally, you can buy your token, buy the token itself, go on from there. I don't know if they've got integration in terms of, I haven't obviously uploaded the course yet, but I don't know if we can charge in the actual token. That would be really good. So I could charge, $3, so I can charge 100 AAX tokens. That would be really good if they've got that integration, which I'm sure they have. So fingers crossed, we're going to see this project do pretty well. And again, we haven't seen anything like this. I'm sure there's been some smaller ones that have tried to do it, but no one's actually done it. And I've got an NFT marketplace as well, which is coming soon apparently. So yeah, two exchanges. We've got Bitpanda today. Bitpanda's pretty decent on volume, but most of it, until they get like a tier one exchange, Gate.io is going to be probably the most volume. Like on a token like this at 1 million market cap. I'm sorry, 26 million market cap and 1 mil volume basically. It's pretty decent. So I'm impressed. And like I said, I'll do a follow-up video with me uploading the course, maybe demonstrating the whole course. It'll be helpful. But get your courses on here. Let's see what we can do, and let's see if we can get people watching and hopefully making some money. All the best and take care.